Today we are replacing those door locks from black to silver, so they're gonna look like this to this. First step, we gotta open the door. We're gonna take off this plate. And then, this is attached. Damn, doesn't fit. The edges don't line up, and then I'm just gonna. Probably not a good thing. It's saying this piece goes up. Okay. Double check the orientation and.
Nice.
And then this goes like this. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Brand new shiny silver. Looks good. Time to take this out.
Yep. All right, handle time.
Push it in. Boom.
Nice.
Slanted side goes towards the door as it closes because it will be rubbing against that plate. Slant faces the slider. If I do it this way, they can unlock and lock the house from the outside. Okay, so I do it this way. The handles are correct, but now the set screw is showing. That's incorrect. All right, well now I'll do it this way. Well, I don't think I can close my doors with two bullhorns coming out. So here's how you flip the handles. These are reversible. Allen key comes with it. You loosen. There's loosen. And you don't flip the handles or do nothing, because if you flip it, that ain't right. You're gonna have a tab here. You take the handles and you put this here and then this handle here. So you flip the handles around and now look.
It does.
So now, if we go check, key on the outside, handle here, set screw hidden. Looks like we're ready to go.
Nice.
So let's just tighten those set screws. Doors are done. Here's our lock and key. Key on the outside.
Line up the hole.
What that was?
There's the oven mitt.
All right, locked. Unlocked. Yep. Take the plate out. Line up the holes. Unlock.